Hi, welcome to my channel Cloud with Girish. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a serverless generative AI solution to create meeting notes from provided meeting transcript file via a REST API, Lambda and AWS Bedrock service. Amazon Bedrock is fully managed service that offer choices of many foundation models like Anthropic Cloud, AI-21 Jurassic 2, Stability AI, Amazon Titan, and others. I will use Amazon Titan foundation model and will invoke it via Amazon Bedrock API. Many meetings, whiteboard architecture design sessions are essential part of software development. Meeting notes are get recorded either manually or via meeting tools. Also, many meeting tools provide a way to generate transcript files for these meetings. Generating meeting notes from these transcripts is often time-consuming process. Generative AI solution can help increase productivity and save time by automating the generation of meeting notes from the transcript files. Let's look at our business use case. There is a transcript available for a meeting held. Meeting notes need to be created based on the transcript. An automated solution is required to create meeting notes. An automated solution will provide a repeatable way to create these meeting notes. Increase in productivity as team members usually work on documenting these notes can focus on other tasks. I will be creating the Lambda function via infrastructure as code approach using AWS Serverless Application Framework and CloudFormation. However, you can create the Lambda function using the AWS console as well. Let's look at the architecture design. We have a user that's invoking the REST API via API gateway. API is passing the meeting transcript file to a Lambda function. Lambda function is written in Python Boto 3 and is invoking the Bedrock API. Bedrock API is consuming underneath foundation model Amazon Titan and processing the meeting transcripts and providing the response back in the summary of meeting notes. CloudWatch will log the log messages as coded in the Lambda function. Prereq include familiarity with AWS console, transcript file for the meetings held, knowledge of Python Boto 3, knowledge of AWS Lambda, and basic familiarity with generative AI and foundation model concepts. Let's get started. We will review the Bedrock service, we'll review foundation models, we'll request access to model, we'll review the playground provided by AWS, some key terms like temperature, top heap, max token count. We'll review the SAM template and Lambda function. We'll build this function using AWS SAM, and then we'll invoke it locally and we'll deploy it. We'll validate the generative AI model response using a prompt. I'm going to use Postman to invoke my API. We'll review the response and CloudWatch log, and then we'll review some pricing. I will be creating the function via infrastructure as code using AWS SAM framework and CloudFormation. However, like I said, you can create the function using AWS console as well. Let's look at the Bedrock service. Amazon Bedrock is fully managed service that offer choices of many foundation models like Anthropic Cloud, AI-21 Jurassic 2, Stability AI, Amazon Titan, and others. Since Bedrock is another serverless offering from Amazon, it allows integrating with popular foundation models and also allow to privately customize financial model with your own data using the AWS tools without having to manage any infrastructure. With Bedrock, you have choice of foundation models, A121, Cloud, Anthropic, Stable Diffusion for image, Amazon Titan, and others. I will be using Amazon Titan for this workshop. Before model can be used, you need to request the access to the model. I'm requesting access to Titan model. Typically, this access for Amazon models get guaranteed within few minutes. AWS also provides Playground where you can provide a prompt and get the response. An example is on the screen where I'm providing a prompt to create a JSON and I'm getting the response back. However, I'm not using the Playground for this workshop. I will use Bedrock API to provide prompt and get the response. Temperature, top P, max token count are few of the parameters that are used by when you're providing prompt to the Bedrock API. Temperature is a value of 0 indicate that less random generation. Value of 1 means more random generation. Top P is another value. If it's less than 1, it will have less probable set of tokens. And then max token count, this indicate max number of tokens to generate. Responses are not guaranteed to fill up to the maximum desired length. Tokens are factor in the overall cost. Hence, it's worthwhile to pay attention to max token you want to use. Let's review our SAM template. I have a SAM template here, which is defining resources. One of the key resources here is our function, and then another key resource is the API. Same way, there is a Lambda function here. Lambda function is taking the prompt, invoking the Bedrock API, and providing the response back. We'll build the function using AWS SAM. The command is as simple as SAM build, and it will build. Once build is successful, then I can invoke the function locally using the command local SAM local invoke meeting note creator, and I pass my sample JSON for the event, and it should invoke my function. Once my function is working as expected, next I can deploy it to the AWS cloud using the command SAM deploy. Let's validate the generative AI model response using a prompt. As you can see, I'm using Postman here. So I have my API endpoint and I'm passing the meeting transcript.txt file as a input, as a prompt. Once I click on send, you can see that I'm getting a response back, and this response is really the meeting notes created from the transcript, and it's summarizing it that what the meeting transcript is discussing about. If you review the log prompt, you will see similar that in the prompt you will see the transcript that has been passed, and then in the response we'll see the summary being returned to the API. With this workshop, a serverless generative AI solution to create meeting notes from transcript using AWS Bedrock, Lambda, and API Gateway has been successfully completed. Python Boto 3 were used to invoke the Bedrock API with Amazon Titan model. As GenAI solutions continue to evolve, they are set to reshape traditional workflow and drive tangible benefit across industry. This workshop serves as a compelling example of the transformative power of AI technology in addressing real-world challenges and unlocking new opportunities for innovations. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'm working on some other interesting contents on various AWS topics. These will be posted soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.